Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. So you have a Meta Quest 3 and you decide, okay, it's either not working right or it's time to sell this or give it to someone else. So you're going to need to do a factory reset. So let me just show you how very quickly to do a factory reset. Let's take that quickly, step by step. Step 1 is turn the device on using the on button on the side, which is here. So just hold that down and turn it on. Step 2 is go into your Meta Horizon app. So you should have linked up your VR headset with the Meta Horizon app from the App Store. If you haven't done that, you may want to do it now because it's really straightforward to do the factory reset. What you then do is click on the 3 lines on the bottom, click on device management under devices. If your device is showing disconnected, because it will time out, you just press the on button again on your Meta Quest. And after a moment or so, if you go back into devices, click on it, it will connect and you can see headset settings on the bottom. You click on that, you go into advanced settings, and there you can see factory reset. You click on that, it will ask you, are you sure? It will remove your account information, all downloaded games and contents from this headset. You click on reset. It says your headset was disconnected, please reconnect to continue editing. And there we go, it's all done. So when I close this off and I go back into my home, you will see that the device is no longer there. So I'd have to repair the device. There you go, because it has been reset. That's all there is to it. So hopefully that'll help, and that's a factory reset on the Meta Quest 3. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.